What if I told you that the more you try to silence your mind, the louder it becomes? This is the story of a boy who went looking for silence and discovered something far more powerful. In a quiet valley surrounded by tall mountains, there lived a young man named Kabir. From the outside, Kabir looked calm, but inside, his mind was never quiet. Thoughts ran endlessly. What if I fail? What if I'm not enough? What will people think? Day after day, night after night, he searched for one thing: silence. One day someone told him, "There is a monk who lives beyond the Black Hill. They say he can silence even the loudest mind." Without thinking twice, Kabir left everything behind. After hours of walking, he found him, an old monk, sitting near a still pond. Kabir rushed forward. "Master, please help me. My mind is too loud. I just want silence." The monk looked at him and said something unexpected. "I can give you silence, but once you accept it, you cannot go back." Kabir didn't hesitate. "I'm ready." The monk stood up slowly and pointed toward a 7 small wooden hut. "Inside that hut, you will find silence. Go in and stay there for 1 full day. No matter what happens, do not come out." Kabir nodded. It sounded easy. He stepped inside, closed the door. At first, it felt peaceful. No noise, no distractions. Just silence. He smiled. "This is what I wanted." Minutes passed, then an hour, and suddenly, the thoughts came, louder than ever. "Why did you leave home? What if this is a mistake? You are wasting your life." Kabir clenched his fists. "Stop! Just stop!" But the silence around him made the noise inside him stronger. Hours felt like days. His breathing grew heavy. His thoughts turned darker. He stood up, walked to the door, almost opened it, but he remembered the condition. No matter what happens, don't come out. He fell to the ground, exhausted. And then something strange happened. He stopped fighting, not because he learned something, but because he had no energy left. He just sat there, letting every thought come and go. No resistance, no control, no fear. Slowly, the thoughts lost their power. They didn't disappear, but they became distant, like clouds passing in the sky. For the first time, Kabir wasn't inside his thoughts. He was watching them, and in that moment, he felt something deeper than silence: freedom. The next morning, Kabir opened the door. The monk was waiting. He looked at Kabir and asked, "Did you find silence?" Kabir smiled softly. "No." A pause. "I found something better." The monk nodded, because that was the real lesson. The monk said, "Silence is not something you find outside. If you run from noise, it will follow you. But if you stop fighting it, it loses its hold on you." Kabir looked at the sky, calm, endless, and whispered, "My mind is still speaking, but it no longer controls me. And remember, you don't need a silent world to have a peaceful mind. You just need to stop running from the noise inside you." If this story touched your heart, don't just scroll away. Take a moment, breathe, and share it with someone who needs it today. Because sometimes the heaviest battles are the ones no one can see. And remember, peace doesn't come when the world becomes quiet. It comes when you stop fighting the noise inside you. So tonight, let go. Just a little. Not everything needs to be carried. I'll see you in the next story, with another truth your heart has been waiting to hear. Until then, stay gentle with your mind and stay at peace.